Masindi District is holding 7 staff of Masindi Municipal Council attached to the Works Department to aid investigations on alleged pouring salt in the government bulldozer worth 800 million shillings. Ronald Businge, the mayor of Masindi Municipality, told the journalists that one of the staff approached him saying that the wheel loader was poured in salt. That prompted him to inform the office of the RDC, Masindi. He suspects the incident should have originated from the conflicts within the Works Department.
Kyomuhendo Ronald and the mayor of Masindi Municipality. This morning when I came to office, I received information from my staff that one of our wheel loader, somebody had poured salt in the tank. And I came to cross-check the information and realized that the information was very true. I'm really very disturbed and disappointed with whoever did that act, because really a grader that does not talk, you come and destroy a grader of about 800 million because of your selfish interest. That is extremely very bad. So immediately I notified the office of the RDC and the police, and I'm happy that the police has responded to come and investigate this matter, and I request that this matter be investigated very fast so that we come to the bottom of the whole thing. I would want a situation where people are arrested, especially those culprits who are responsible for attempting to spoil our grader. I thank God that the grader had not started moving, so the engine is still intact, but we still have some salt in the tank. And I'm being told that when you wash the tank, when you put the salt in diesel, it does not dissolve. So I'm going to put it there. I removed all the diesel and I'm going to put it in water so that the salt dissolves and then the machine works again. Otherwise, the issue is here. I want to the askari who keeps this place, who was on duty that day to make a statement, and all the staff of the Works Department to ensure that so that we can come up with information that will lead to the arrest of whoever was attempting to do that. We have many machines here, very vehicles that sleep here, and I'm worried if people have started doing such acts. I don't know what is happening with human beings really. For every time a person thinks about putting salt in a tank of a vehicle, it means the next thing you can plan for killing a person.
Dallas Sanon, the Deputy Residence Commissioner of Masindi District, has vowed that whoever did it would be held accountable. He alleges that the Works Department has declined repair of some of the equipment, preferring to hire it, which is costly, thus ordering the police to make thorough investigations.
The police is on the ground. They have started the investigations and I've given them directives. I am sure I don't want to antagonize with their investigations, but I'm sure those are professions and they know what they do. If that time of arresting comes, I am sure they will do the arrests. But of course, according to the evidence we have right now, I don't think they can leave this place without making arrests.
Simon Peter Ochiti, the OCCID Masindi Police Station, says as Uganda Police, they condemn this act and the culprits will be brought to books.
I am talking to elites on such a thing that has happened. Number one, as police, we highly, with the strongest language possible, condemn the acts of vandalizing a government property. It is not right, it is wrong to always take the law into your hands. And I can assure you that those who are involved shall be brought to book. These government properties are meant to ease the life of the people. Now, if as an individual we decide to destroy it for our personal gains, for our personal interests, are we doing a service to the people of Masindi? Are we doing a service to Ugandans? So as police, I want to say this, that this machine as of now shall be enclosed with our ribbon as a crime scene. No one should have access to it because the samples that have been taken, we are going to subject them for examinations. We shall take the residues of the fuel and others to our government analytical laboratory in Naguru. To you and me, don't fear to come out to give us information as police. Give us credible information that will help us prosecute these wrong elements. Because once we keep on harboring them, today it is this machine, tomorrow it's the entire district. So we need to produce them to book.
Rumors circulating around that some of the leaders attached to the Masindi Municipal Roads Works Committee are not in good terms, and some of them might have been part of pouring salt in the government wheel loader. Joel Tikasimire, Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.